I'm Sister Ann Francis, and we are going to be doing some tuna tacos for Friday. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of garlic, onion, some peppers, and fry them up a little bit. Get them tasting good. All right. These are brown. Then we're going to put the tuna in there. Here we go. Lovely tuna. And then I'm going to do some really cheap seasoning. Cheap seasoning is actually better. All right, and then what you're going to do is just put a little bit on each one. Okay, and then a sprinkle of cheese on top. A little bit of cilantro. And then the last thing that you're going to want to do is add the avocado there. Okay, pop this in here. You could put some sour cream on top too, if you like that. The most important thing about Friday tacos is that you give them to someone else. So Cecilia, here you go.
Thank you, sister. These look great. Cheers.
Cheers to you. Mmm.